Three Rock Boys. I'm Rock there, yeah. You can look me up. Rock look me up on YouTube. Yeah, but look. Look. Boy, that switch ain't nothing.
Alright. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rock Tactical. Today I got a banger video for y'all, man. Now I had put a little story up on IG and I was like, would y'all rather me do this video or this video? And y'all picked this video, so we finna jump right into it. But what's good, bro? How y'all been? Make sure y'all praising God, listening to y'all parents, and staying out the way, man. Staying out of trouble. That's the way to be. But yeah, today we got the first Glock 23X Gen 5. Now, don't be no hater, gang. If you already did this, because I know I ain't the first person who thought of this, but I'm the first person out of all the people I've been around to do it, so that's why I say the first Glock 23 Gen 5. The first Glock 23X. Don't forget it's with an X. Y'all know who Babyface is? It's with an X. First Glock 23X Gen 5. This is how it's coming. This is how it, yeah. Peanut butter boy. We gonna set that to the side. Now, don't get in my comments hating talking about you already did this. I don't care. I don't want to hear it, alright? My channel never seen me do this, so you feel me? Hey, it is what it is. But we finna lock in. Now, I was bored one day building guns. And I seen, like I did some research on the Glock, and I seen that the Glock 23 frame is the exact replica of a Glock 19 frame. See what I'm saying? So then I got to thinking like Gen 5. Compatible. All Glocks are compatible if they the right frame and the right size. It's just certain stuff you'll have to change out. Nah. For this, the only thing I have to change out, I'm gonna get down to that later. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We are doing a giveaway. I'm giving away an upper. I'm selling a couple uppers. I'm giving away an upper. I'm giving away a $60 Best Buy gift card. I'm going to be giving that away on the 12th of December. Somebody gave that to me and wanted me to do a giveaway for my channel, so just going to give it away to the channel. So if you want to win the giveaway or you want to know how to win the giveaway, you got to follow me on IG, bro. Follow me on IG. If you ain't following me on IG, you don't really fuck with me for real. But, man, let's get right into this video. So, boom. You feel me? Glock 23X Gen 5 peanut butter box. I don't want everything to fall out, but Glock 23X Gen 5. So, everything that it came with. Standard mag with a +5 extension. Standard mag with a +5 extension. So, first, let me go and show y'all the gun. It's clear. Alright. Show y'all the gun is clear. Empty. Nothing in there. And then both mags are clear. Just because I don't even want to fuck around with YouTube. Now, here it is. The Glock 23 Gen. The Glock 23X Gen 5. Okay, let me put a mag in there. It looks with a mag. So this is how it looks with a magazine. But you can't say that's not tough. Glock should do this. Glock should do some two-tone weapons with a frame, different color, and a slide. Just because, like, I don't know, people just like buying stuff. You feel me? It ain't even gotta be what you think it is. Because 9 times out of 10, you never gonna use your defense weapon. So people really just buy weapons because it's like a hobby. It's a hobby. People love to do it. I love it. So this is how I look with the mag. Now, we gonna get into why I even did this in the first place. Why I even did this in the first place? Because I always, like, I know the Glock 23 is made to be a compact, subcompact, whichever one it is. A smaller firearm, but carry a bigger bullet. But it's like it handles perfectly, but I just got real big hands. Like, I don't know if the camera do this any justice, but I got big hands, like, cover the whole gun. Like, you still can see my fingers. You feel me? Like, I got real big hands. So I like long grips. No diddy. But I like, it just sounds too diddy. I like bigger hand guards or hand, you know, I like something, like, see how it fully fits my hand? I don't gotta snug my pinky all up, it just straight fits. And then on the other hand, this is a 40. Like, this is a 40 caliber. 40, you know? So with that being a 40, I felt it was gonna handle the recoil way better because the 23 frame handles the recoil perfectly. It handles it perfectly. But this, game changer. Now what I did is I put I'm gonna do another video on that, but game changer. It's a couple things you gotta do to make this function. Only reason because I say this is a 9mm frame. Do not forget that. This 9mm frame has the same like stuff as the Gen 5 Glock 23 because this trigger in here is a Gen 5 Glock 23 trigger from the other frame. Trigger, ejector, everything. I traded out the whole trigger assembly. And a slide release. And I didn't trade the magazine, just a slide release and the trigger assembly. Why? Because I'm like, it is a 40, and I don't know how they make their triggers, if they make every trigger the same. It damn sure feels like every Glock trigger is the exact same. They made one trigger and put it in every gun. Just upgraded the gens. So I just did that just because, and everything seated perfectly. Shot flawlessly. When I say this Glock 19X handles the 40 caliber so well, it's almost amazing. Like, it's amazing. Now, a couple things you gotta do. One, you have to trade out the trigger assembly from your Glock 23 Gen 5. You have to. Just because the ejectors this ejector is not built for a 40 caliber. Common sense. It's built for a 9mm. This is a Glock 19X. A Glock 19 is a 9mm. But this is a Glock 23X. Welcome to Re-Rock Tactical, where you re-rock stuff in your own way. This is a clear indicator of my name right here, Re-Rock Tactical. I done took a Glock and re-rocked it in my own way. Simple. Now, second thing you're going to have to do. You're going to have to, this one says 40. I swapped the followers out and the springs out. I thought it wouldn't work. Only thing you will have to do, you're going to have to take some pliers and just open it up a wee bit. But you can just take your 40 clip and stick it in. Only thing, it will be a little wiggle. Like, it's crazy because right now there's no wiggle. So what I did, just swap the follower. This is a 40 round. This is a 40 mag. 40 fits in the Glock perfectly. You know, like, it's not coming out. It's not anything. Only thing it won't do is it won't lock the slide on the last round. Why? It will lock with a 9 mag with a 40 follower. Just open it up, open the tip up. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to. The 40 mag will work just fine, but like I said, I just do stuff just so y'all don't. So that's the second thing you got to do. Third thing you got to do, you got to change the base plate on the mag. If you change a 40 mag and a 40 follower, you have to change the 40 base plate. You have to change every base plate. You have to change everything. Only thing else to do is get some rounds down. Now, you guys give me an honest rate on this. I know it's not nothing special. It's really just a Glock 22. This is what I call it, a smaller Glock, a Glock 22 handle with a 19 slide. So this is really a smaller Glock 22. Can't lie. That's what it is, a smaller Glock 22. So here it is. This is the Glock 23X unboxing. The first one I've ever seen. So don't get in my comments saying you already did this, because I won't care. Alright? Post a video about it. Make you some content. Don't tell me. Everything lines up perfectly. The Glock 23 recoil spring sits perfectly. Because like I tell everyone, Glocks didn't do too much thinking when they made these guns. Everything is just like the first Glock. They just upgraded some small things. But like I said, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I don't have a problem with it. I actually like it. So here it is. Glock 23X Gen 5. If y'all want to see me shoot this and do a review on it, leave a comment. I will take this to the range and shoot it. This is the Glock 23X Gen 5 review. I just like the fact that it's a 23 slide. Still small slide with the big handle. Cause it's like when you're it feels way better. Shooting it like this feels way better than shooting it with the regular frame. Just because it's so much more you can and really, so you don't have to like it. It's not your gun. It's my gun. I love it. I just, get in the lab and do stuff. But Glocks are interchangeable. If you don't know, now you know. Okay? And I'm just trying to create content for my followers. But make sure I like, comment, subscribe. Instagram will be on the screen. Please don't miss the giveaway. Glock 23X. I do got the 30 round, the black 30 round, but YouTube don't play that. So Rerock Tactical don't play that. We follow rules around here. We're not trying to get banned. Okay. Let me close that back up. Glock 23X, Generation 5. You feel me? But make sure I like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Rerock Tactical. I got more videos coming soon. I'm finna do a video about the AR mags. I get a lot of questions about the AR mags. So, AR mag coming soon. You see what I'm saying?